Okay, so step 10 on page 563 tells us to offset this line here upwards 3'6" and then 2 inches more to make that handrail. Actually, it tells us to move it. I think it's a far better move to offset it, because if I try to move it, which could save time, but then I want to move it from here up to here, it's hard to know exactly what's perpendicular to the line that it's leaving. I think a far more accurate way is to come over here and just do an offset of 3'6" from here going this way, and then to offset that line again 2 inches up, and then to get rid of that line. That's a far safer move than trying to move that thing in exactly the right direction so that it's perpendicular. Then we're going to extend these 2 lines, that one and that one. I probably need to put the border first, so extend to here, enter that one and that one, then TR, enter for trim that back to there. Now I need to make this a perpendicular end here, and we'll do that in just a second. So now what we need to do is we need to get in here and just kind of zoom in and draw a line from that point, and then I'm going to do a shift right click and go perpendicular so that this line is at 90 degrees. That looks good. TR, enter, get that line out of there, that line out of there, that one back to there, escape a few times, hit that one and delete it. And so now we have the end of the handrail. So now they want us to draw these rails in up here, so I'm going to do line, and I'm going to grab the midpoint. See that triangle? That's the midpoint there, and I'm going to hit F8 because I want it ortho. I click right there, and then I offset that 1 inch from the center going left and from the center going right. Then I delete the original, and then I trim back to this line, that line and that line, and then I copy, this is all on page 562 by the way, those 2 lines, and I'll just use that as my base point. Hit F8 to turn ortho off, go there, there, and there. So I've got my little uprights on there, and there we're looking pretty good. Now the last thing we need to do is go File, we need to go Save As, and we need to change, this is I10-08 dash stair elevations. Actually it's singular. Stair elevation, I'm going to save that, and we are done all the way through step 18 on page 564. Slam dunk.